To introduce the song, I'd have to say a few words about the Soviet Yiddish journal, Sovetish Heymland, and its editor-in-chief, the Yiddish poet Aaron Vergelis, because this is something he translated from Russian. It's a very famous Russian song. It's known to many people in the United States and all over the world. It's called Podmoskovные вечера in the original Russian, evenings near Moscow, I guess would be a good translation. And this was included in a little supplement to Sovetish Heymland that was, I believe it was published sometime in the 1980s. I mean, one of the goals of the people, the contributors to Sovetish Heymland, was to emphasize the connection to Russian culture, to the Russian intellectual life that was happening around them. They didn't want to feel isolated. In fact, this was one of the main things they criticized about Western Yiddish culture. You know, they talked about people like Chaim Grad and Isaac Bashevis Singer and other Yiddish writers from the West, who they argued were too parochial in a way, staying so focused on Jewish subjects. So it was important to have this link to the world outside, and translating Russian poetry, contemporary Russian poetry, and popular songs was one of the ways to emphasize this connection.